Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, remote job lady here. I'm bringing you a job from Conduent today. Remote customer service associate. Enjoy a positive, employee-friendly culture while playing an important role in supporting your clients. They offer excellent training, career opportunities, a great culture, and great benefits. From the start, with your minimum 6-month call center experience, their paid training program will teach you all the skills you need to allow you to become successful in your role. They also offer a full benefits package, so you will be able to thrive both personally and professionally. Alright. About the role. As a customer service representative, you will be supporting our clients' customers as the first point of contact. You'll also answer questions concerning their accounts. You will help customers with their account issues while providing them with exceptional customer service. As a customer service representative, you will be responsible for providing customers with appropriate customized solutions to meet their needs, performing routine call center activities concerning business products and services, using the tools provided to guide you through customer conversations, providing customers with important information while communicating in a warm, empathetic manner, gathering information to keep customers' profiles and accounts up to date. The requirements for this position: you must be at least 18 years of age, 6 months call center experience, must have and maintain reliable internet, have a high school diploma or an equivalent level of education, be able to successfully pass a criminal background check, have an open availability from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 100% attendance during training. Must have reliable internet service, not on Wi-Fi, must connect provided equipment to modem via Ethernet cable. You must live in one of the following states, as you can see. If you're not in these states, we do apologize. They're not hiring in the ones you see below here. Alright, so if this is a state where they are hiring, the pay is $15.15 per hour. Paid training. Training time starts between 9 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Full-time schedule, 40 hours a week, and work either a Saturday or Sunday. Career growth opportunities, full benefit options, and great virtual work environment. You can read about them. Let's do the video together. Alright, so if this is something that piques your interest, something you might want to do, as you know, they do train. You do have to have at least 6 months customer service experience. I will leave the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you have a great rest of your day. Oh, good morning.